Shannon, did it come out how you planned?
Yes.
I like that. Robbie.
I hope they're impressed with the way that I dress to see that it is professional.
I've been watching you cook this, and I've been trying to think of a nice way to say this, and the words fail me, but it looks like vomit. I hope it doesn't taste as bad. I can't, sorry, dude.
What Pete said was quite hard, but no one wants to eat something that looks like that, so I think I messed up. I could have done something a little bit better.
Darren, chef.
I'm not too sure what the judges are going to say to my dish. I hope they like it. Chicken and fresh corn soup and some massa dumplings.
Good textures, good flavour. You've hit it spot on. Well done.
I made you a chili corn with langoustine pot sticker, as well as a chili corn with creme fraiche pot sticker.
Bold to do pot stickers, especially making your own dough. I have a feeling this dish didn't come out as sexy as you would have liked.
To me, the only person that used mealy rice. Take us through it.
It's mealy rice cooked in white wine, chicken stock, and cream.
I don't know how it's going to taste, but the presentation is not that appetizing. Love it.
Just hope that the dish that I produced today shows exactly that I can do something. Sweet corn and cream sour corn pop with a bit of chili in, chunky chutney with a bit of chili, and salad with chili in.
Personally, I'm not liking this at all. This for me is chili, but it's not cooked enough. I find it a little bit unpleasant.
I've got one shot today to do this. I made a sweet corn and polenta fritter and a pepper dew and pepper relish.
Polenta in the fritter?
Yes.
Did you pre-cook it?
No, I didn't.
Ooh. Cook it long enough?
I'm hoping so.
See how dense that is? And I think it's a pity as well, Chantal, because the other elements work so well with it, but it doesn't take away that polenta is just too stodgy.
Okay.
Okay.
Amanda.
I popped some popcorn and then I infused some cream, then I poached the mussels in that.
Gershwin. It's way, way overcooked and as a result dried out.
Emilio.
Sweet corn soup with parma ham.
You've got great ingredients in there, but they're not coming through. It's just bland.
Sonette, let me guess. More corn fritters.
Boot camp brunch.
Boot camp brunch, I like it. It's a crazy, wild, colourful plate, much like yourself. It's a great plate of food.
Carmony.
So this is essentially a sweet corn fritter. It's got creme fraiche, a bit of chili, and a bit of coriander in it. It's on a shard of prosciutto.
A lot of fritters.
By far the most appetizing, fluffiest fritter that I've tasted so far. Well done. Yeah.
Thank you.
Corn.
Okay, I made a hearty sweet corn chowder and a sweet corn jam.
Great jam and soup. I'll try anything once.
Just that little bit of sweet element just to take a bit that edge of the cream.
I like the soup. And I'm sorry, the jam. I will like half, other half I don't like. Is that going to be enough?
I hope so.
Ron, you're the last person to hold on to the apron.
Correct, Chef.
Let's see if you've got a tight enough grip on it.
Hope so, Chef.
Ron, I don't think that your apron is in danger.
Thanks, Chef.
Hopefully the taste will be better than my presentation.
Presentation does help with the taste, but it's all about the flavour. The tortilla crispy. The topping, I think you got it right with the flavour.
Thank you, Chef.
Harman, this is the dish I've been intrigued about tasting, but you've never made tamales before. And how long did you cook it for?
Steamed it for about 15 minutes.
Okay, let's hope it delivers. The fact that you've tried to do something for the first time here shows that you have a pair of cojones of your own. By far the best of the day. Lovely stuff, dude. Nice one.
I want to go through because this is my passion and I feel like I've climbed so many steps in this dream. You know, I've got this far, I want to go further.
35 of you started out the melee challenge earlier today, but only 25 of you can hang on to your aprons. 10 have to go home.
I'm not ready to leave. I haven't showed my true passion yet. I want more.
You have been divided into 4 groups, and we'll be giving you your results accordingly.
The group of 10 on my left, you are all safe and through to the next round.
It's quite emotional because it proves to so many people around me and to myself that I can really do it.
The next group of 10. For you, the journey is not over yet.
And that's fabulous.
20 are through, 5 slots left, and there are still 15 people standing. To the next group of 6. Your journey is over. Thank you.
I've been pursuing this as a career, and I will definitely still do it.
Can Emilio and Monkey step forward, please?
I'm confident in my dish. I put my heart and soul into that.
We've had some wonderful dishes from you guys. We love your spirit and your determination and your creativity. But unfortunately, your journey ends now.
The MasterChef experience, you get emotional, you get overwhelmed. The pressure builds up and cracks you, but it's amazing and I love it. It's such an experience. I'll never be the same after this.
Will Alistair, Joni and Dawn come to the front, please? Joni, Dawn and Alistair, you've had a great journey up to now. Some great dishes. But the journey doesn't stop here. You're through!
I'm looking forward to being part of the top 25.
There's 4 of you left and only 2 spots. So can Amanda and Elam please step forward? Today, you gave it your all. But for one of you, your all wasn't good enough. Elam, your MasterChef dream ends now. Amanda, you through.
These plans for everybody, so why stick on it or feel bad about it?
Chantel and Corin, step forward. Today has been an incredibly tense day for the 2 of you. 33rd and 34th apron, respectively. But unfortunately, it ends for one of you today.
It took forever standing and waiting for your fate to know, are you in or not?
And the person surrendering their apron is Chantel. Chantel, you've been a fantastic contestant. Keep cooking and keep on dreaming. Thank you.
Love you, Chantal. Love you, love you. I'm hugely disappointed in myself. It was just a bad day in the kitchen today.
25 hopefuls still standing.
I'm getting to the top and there's still a long way to go, but you know, I've got this far, I want to go further.
You've had a grueling day, so you're going to need to get some rest, because boot camp is far from over.
Goodbye, guys. See you in the next challenge.